how to store Docker images in a private location instead of Docker Hub public repo, and also integrate it into your CI/CD pipeline. How do you set up and connect a private Docker registry to Jenkins or GitHub Actions?
If I want to store Docker images privately instead of using the public Docker Hub, I have two main options. Use a private registry service like Docker Hub's private repositories, Amazon ECR, Google Artifact Registry, or JFrog Artifactory. Or I can set up my own self-hosted Docker registry, which gives me full control over image storage. To integrate this with a CI/CD pipeline like Jenkins or GitHub Actions, the key steps are: 1. Set up the private registry. If I'm using a cloud provider, I create a private container registry there. If I'm self-hosting, I deploy a Docker registry container, secure it with HTTPS, and enable authentication. 2. Authenticate from CI/CD. In Jenkins, I store the registry credentials securely using Jenkins Credentials Manager. These credentials are then used in the pipeline when building and pushing Docker images. In GitHub Actions, I save the registry credentials as secrets, like registry username and registry password. Then, in the workflow file, I log into the registry using those secrets before pushing the image. 3. Push the Docker image in the pipeline. After building the Docker image, I tag it with the registry URL and push it to the private repository. 4. Use the image in deployments. Finally, when I deploy the application, my Kubernetes or Docker host is configured to pull images from that private registry, using credentials if required. So, by storing images privately and linking the registry credentials into Jenkins or GitHub Actions, I make sure the CI/CD pipeline builds and pushes images securely and automatically, keeping everything under version control and protected from public access.